It's jam time along the Gay White Way as NBC brings you Ella Fitzgerald and her orchestra from Roseland Ballroom, Broadway and 51st Street, just off Times Square. And now here's Ella Fitzgerald to tell you about that magic time, the starlit hour.
Love, here in the starlit hour, all heaven is in your eyes, while the wind is sobbing underneath the stars. Both the hearts are throbbing like two guitars. Love, here in the starlit hour, night, whispering lullabies. Let me dream forever underneath the silvery skies. Will it be just as sweet again? The glamour, the glory that we know, will I find when we meet again? The glamour, the glory still aglow. But tonight, let us forget tomorrow. Here, under the midnight blue, love will bloom and flower in the starlit hour with you.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special broadcast.
Here's the bulletin. Washington. The President decided today, after Japan's attack on Pearl Harbor and Manila, to call an extraordinary meeting of the Cabinet for 8:30 p.m. tonight, and to have congressional leaders of both parties join the conference at 9 p.m. And now we take you to Honolulu.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
One moment, please.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, NBC. Hello, NBC. This is KPU in Honolulu, Hawaii. I am speaking from the roof of the Advertiser Publishing Company building. We have witnessed this morning a distant view, a brief battle off Pearl Harbor, and a severe bombing of Pearl Harbor by enemy planes, undoubtedly Japanese. The city of Honolulu has also been attacked and considerable damage done. This battle has been going on for nearly 3 hours. One of the bombs dropped within 50 feet of KPU Tower. It is no joke, it is a real war. The public of Honolulu have been advised to keep in their homes and await results from the Army and Navy. There has been fierce fighting going on in the air and on the sea. The heavy shooting seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a moment, no interruption. We cannot estimate yet how much damage has been done, but it has been a very severe attack. The Navy and Army appear now to have the air and the sea under control. 34. Hello, NBC. Is all ready? 1, 2.
One moment, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we're standing by for further word from Honolulu, and we expect to rejoin them in just a moment.
Now back to our regularly scheduled program.
Love, love in the hour. Oh, love in the starlit is sobbing underneath the stars. Both our hearts are throbbing like the strum of two guitars. Love, love in the hour. Oh, love in the starlit hour. Let me dream forever underneath the silvery skies to the tunes of lullaby. Will it be just as sweet again, the glamour, the glory that we know? Will I find when we meet again the glamour, the glory that's still aglow? But tonight, let us forget tomorrow here under the midnight blue. Love will bloom and flower in the starlit hour with you, just with you. Oh, love will bloom and flower in the starlit hour with you.
Here's that intersection where East meets Jive, and verily do the twain meet. Sing, song, swing.
Choppity chop 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 chopsticks. Choppity chop 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 till sticks. Choppity chop chop chop's the thing. When Charlie Chingy make you sing song swing. Charlie Ching make you sing song swing with a ting-a-ling on the ding dong ding. With a ting-a-ling on the ding dong ding. Make you plenty sing song swing. A choppity chop 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 chopstick. Choppity chop 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 till six. Choppity chop chop chop's the thing. When Charlie Ching you make you sing song swing.
We interrupt this program to take you to NBC Newsroom.
We will hope later to be able to bring you direct reports from both Honolulu and Manila.
To recapitulate, the White House reported today Japanese air attacks on the Hawaiian Islands and Manila in the Philippines. Here in the studio with me is Major George Fielding Elliott, Columbia's military expert, who will analyze now these latest developments in the Far East. Major Elliott.
The Japanese appear to be taking the offensive in an effort to delay and impede American operations in the Far East. Apparently confronted with a situation in which there was no escape except war, the Japanese have attacked the main American naval base in the Pacific at Pearl Harbor on the island of Oahu in the Hawaiian Islands. This attack is by air and can only come from aircraft carriers, since the Japanese do not have any bases close enough to the Hawaiian Islands from which to launch land-based aircraft. This is a very great risk for the Japanese to place aircraft carriers within reach of the very powerful naval patrol bombers and the long-range Army bombers on the island of Oahu. Measure, one which may well result in the loss of the carriers that are making the attack, but may also gain for the Japanese important time to carry out operations in the Far East because of the damage that they may inflict on the naval base and shipping in Oahu, and thus delay the proceeding of the United States Pacific Fleet to the Western Pacific. That is probably the Japanese object, and we don't know yet what success they've had in carrying it out. They're expecting to take heavy losses, and these losses may be expected. The question is how much delay they have purchased for the carriers that they have risked.
We have been on the telephone with our station in KGMB, which is in Honolulu, and they report to us that the attacking planes number between 50 and 100, that the air raid is still on, and that the anti-aircraft fire can be heard in a steady drone as the attacking planes come in. We received a bulletin just a little while ago which reported that there have been some of these, what Honolulu calls unidentified planes shot down. And this latest report now from KGMB is all that we have to the moment. We will continue to receive reports from there, also from Washington, on the developments in our relations with Japan, the relations which will tell very shortly the story of what is to happen in the months that are to come. And Columbia will bring you important news bulletins during the broadcast of the New York Philharmonic Society, which follows this program, and will also bring you a summary of all developments at the intermission time.
From Washington, the recruiting office of the United States Navy announces that all recruiting centers will be open at 8 a.m. tomorrow. You've been listening to Elmer Davis, Albert Warner, Bob Trout from London, and Major George Fielding Elliott with a review and analysis of the Far Eastern situation. The Wrigley Company has told us that we may interrupt their program at any time to bring you the latest bulletins. But now, we return you to our regularly scheduled program.
Young fool, make it do-do-do with a toot or two on the flute bamboo. Whittle doodle-do on the ting-a-ling. Make you plenty sing-song swing. Chop-a-dee, chop, 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 stick. Chop-a-dee, chop, 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 till stick. Chop-a-dee, chop, chop, chop's the thing. When Charlie Chingy make it sing-song swing. Oh, take a teddy. Play it, Daffy. Swingy, swingy. Keep him muchy swingy. With a ting-a-ling on the ding-dong-ding. Make it plenty, sing-song swing. A chop-a-dee, chop, 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 stick. Chop-a-dee, chop, 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 till stick. Chop-a-dee, chop, chop, chop's the thing. When Charlie Chingy make it sing-song swing. Chop-a-dee, chop-a-dee, chop, chop, sticks. Chop-a-dee, chop-a-dee, chop, till stick. Chop-a-dee, chop, chop, chop's the thing. When Charlie Chingy make it swing.
Dick Vance of the trumpet section of this here band has written a very cute hot tune that I think everybody's going to like. It's called Goin' and Gettin' It. Go and Get It.